Good afternoon, Michelle Chapman. My name is Martin Gilbert. I'm with OTR Consultants. As you well know, the current global international logistics spend is a staggering $15.5 trillion business, with XPO only scratching the surface with $5.3 billion in business. The fact that XPO has purchased contracts with Kuehne Nagel worth $645 million proves that XPO wants to further establish themselves in the space. I would like to offer my services for writing a white paper describing what XPO can offer in this space to your current and potential customers. As you well know, the international business around the world is growing. In fact, transportation spend by the first world countries and four major developing nations adds up to $6.5 trillion. That's 42% of all the spend. These new business opportunities can be seen in the U.S. China Trade Agreement Phase 1, where China is expected to purchase $50 billion in agricultural exports. And the U.S. has lowered many of the tariffs for China imports to 7.5%. As well, you can see that $3.4 trillion are spent by China, Singapore, Korea, and India. And all this trade is in the lanes between the U.S., European Union, United Kingdom, and the Soviet Union. The EU, or the European Union, import-export business amounts to approximately $1.5 trillion, and the U.S. import-export business amounts to $1.6 trillion. With all these opportunities, the future business and global logistics is promising. And when we look at the XPO's current business right now, you're ranked number 23 in transportation topics, top global freight providers. Your current services are ocean freight, air freight, drayage, and intermodal, managed supply chain. All of these services encompass everything for a global supply chain. Myself personally, I would like to give you a well thought out white paper describing what XPO can offer to these potential and current customers information to you. I would get an outline to you by April 29th, a progress report by April 19th, a rough draft of the white paper by April 29th, and a final draft for May 3rd. My experience in the business is 20 years in the global logistics business. I've worked with departments with spends of $15 million to $40 million. I'm Six Sigma certified. I've also worked with Lean Logistics. I really feel like that I can provide you with a very valuable service by providing this white paper. Here's my contact information. If there's any questions that you may have, please get a hold of me and I will answer them immediately.